Passive income. Ah, yes. The dream of earning an infinite amount of money while I kick my feet up at the beach, fly private jets, drive Lamborghinis, and sleep the day away for the rest of my merry life. Unfortunately, that doesn't exist. And if you've been sold on this dream, and if you've been told that's what passive income is, then I'm afraid you've been lied to. Before you click away, this video could truly change your life. And so I would stick around if I were you. The truth is that there is such a thing as passive income, in a sense of you not having to actively and presently put in work to earn money, right? That is the definition of passive income. And so yes, technically you could be at the beach drinking martinis, you could be in your bed sleeping, you could be driving Lamborghinis, and you could be earning passive income while doing those things. But I think that the idea of passive income and what it actually is for the most part generally misunderstood. And so in this video, I want to clear up exactly what passive income is and how you can start earning it in your life, because it truly can be something that changes your life. So take, for example, little Johnny, okay? I just made this guy up on the spot. Johnny is a smart kid, and Johnny decided to create his own online course in which he's going to teach people how to grow butternut squash, and he's going to sell that course for $100. So that's it. Johnny is now financially free. He's earning passive income from his course. He can now go sit his sorry on the beach all day, drink martinis, drive Lamborghinis, fly airplanes, fly jets, whatever, because Johnny discovered a way to earn passive income. I have a question for you, okay? How is Johnny actually selling his course? You see, Johnny created a course to earn passive income, but how is he actually going to start selling that course? Because here's the thing, just because Johnny made a course doesn't mean that he's going to have a crowd of people lining up to buy his course. And that actually brings us to the first major misconception of passive income, and it's this idea that passive income equals laziness. There is quite literally nothing in life that's actually worthwhile that comes for free, that you can do by being lazy, but that you can accomplish by not having to get up and actually put in the effort and put in the work. Passive income being one of those things. In other words, there's always going to be some level of work that has to be done to first start your line of passive income, but then to also maintain your line of passive income, you're going to have to be consistently working. And that's just the reality of it. And I think that that's a really healthy way to look at passive income, because if you go into it, if you're saying to yourself, I want to start earning passive income so that I can have more freedom, that's fantastic. And you can totally do it. You have to get this idea out of your head that if you can start earning passive income, it means you never have to work a single day in your life. Let's go back to little Johnny again, okay? So little Johnny created this online course that he plans on selling to earn passive income. Here's the problem with Johnny's approach. Johnny's not thinking about the fact that he needs to market his course, that he needs some way to push his course out to the masses. Just because he made the course doesn't mean that people are lined up at the door to buy the course, because if nobody knows Johnny and he's not marketing his course to anybody, then nobody's gonna buy it, right? There's two things that needs to happen for Johnny. The first thing is he needs to either build up an audience. It could be on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok, whatever his platform of choice is. He needs to build up an audience of people who support him, who respect what he has to say, they trust his opinions. He needs to build up that kind of an audience and then potentially sell that course to that audience. And obviously that takes a lot of time, a lot of work, and it's not going to be something that he can do overnight. It's going to take months, possibly years of hard, dedicated, consistent work. The second thing he could do, which would be a much faster way to go about this, would be to purchase ad placements. It could be on Facebook or Google or Pinterest, to just actually go out and buy pay-per-click ads. So let me give you like a real life example, because I know Johnny is just a figment of my imagination. So let me give you a real example of somebody on YouTube right now that you probably know, Graham Stephan. So Graham has a course called the YouTuber Academy or something like that. And basically the course is teaching people how to grow their YouTube channel. Now, here's the thing. Graham didn't start a YouTube channel and then the first day that he started it with 0 subscribers, go and create that course and then try to sell it. That wouldn't work. Why? Well, because he has no authority. He hasn't built any trust. And so of course people are not going to go and buy that course. They need to trust him first before they're willing to take out their wallet and spend money on his course. So he took the time to build up his audience, to build up a really solid reputation here on YouTube, and then he went and started selling his course. And so Graham has that course and he posts a link to that course in all of the descriptions in his videos, okay? And so if somebody clicks on any of his hundreds of videos, goes to the description, sees that link, clicks on it, they have the potential to buy the course. That is passive income. Graham only recorded that course once. He only had to record that one time and then post it, and then that's it. But here's where the sort of misconception comes in. The misconception is that Graham could get off YouTube today, never post again, and he would still continue selling that course. And to a certain extent, that's true. that course would continue to sell for probably a couple of years until YouTube realized, wait a second, this channel isn't really active anymore. It's not getting as many views anymore. We're gonna stop promoting this channel's content. That would effectively end Graham's line of passive income because people aren't clicking onto his videos and then going to his description and then clicking on the link in his description to go to his course. And so in that way, yes, it is passive income, but Graham still has to continue putting out videos week after week in order to be in good terms with the YouTube algorithm, right? In order to attract an even larger audience of people who have more potential to see his link to his course. Let me give you another example of something that I did myself to earn passive income, and I still earn passive income from it, but it slowed down significantly because I haven't been giving it as much attention. So a couple of years ago, I created this online marketplace called Elementor Market, and you can still go to it. And at its prime, this website could make me like $10,000 per year. Why were my sales so high on the website at one point? Well, it was because I was actively making content on YouTube, actively posting into Facebook groups, going to directory websites and suggesting that they add my website to their list. I was actively promoting my website. Therefore, I was able to make passive income. But the moment I stopped doing all of that stuff, sales began slowing down. And so while I am still technically earning passive income, it's not nearly as much as when I was actively promoting the website. Do you see how those two examples kind of fit with each other? If Graham stopped making YouTube videos, his passive income streams would slow down eventually. I stopped promoting my website, my income for that website started slowing down, right? Because I stopped promoting it. And so if we go back and we look at that equation again, passive income doesn't equal laziness. Well, here's another equation. Passive income equals consistent work. You have to be consistently working in order to be consistently earning passive income. The moment you stop consistently working, well, unfortunately, your passive income stream is gonna slow down and eventually dry up completely. Okay, so for the famous question, does passive income still work? Yes, 100% it still works. Passive income is the goal. That is the dream. You should be striving to earn passive income because it's the only way that you can separate your time from the amount of money that you earn. And that right there is how you truly build wealth. The very moment that you can break ties between you earning money based off of the amount of time that you're putting in, that is the moment that you can truly start building wealth and becoming truly financially free. Because until then, the amount of income that you make is always going to be tied to your time. It doesn't matter if you're top 1% in corporate America making $400,000 a year. That is your max, right? There's always going to be a ceiling that you bump into. No matter how hard you work, you're only going to be able to earn this much. That's not scalable. Now, what is scalable is passive income. Now, let's use little Johnny as the example one more time. I know you hate seeing this guy, but he's here. So let's say, for example, Johnny spent the last year or two building up his YouTube channel, okay? And he built up a really large audience of people who love watching his videos about growing butternut squash. And so Johnny comes out and he says, hey guys, guess what? I've got a course, the ultimate course about growing butternut squash. You're never gonna believe how tasty your butternut squash tastes after watching this course and following my instructions. And guess what? This course only costs $100. And then out of his audience, 10,000 people buy his course. And so as long as Johnny can continue to produce good content and good videos day in, day out, then he can keep on pushing his course to his new audience that comes in who discovers his videos on YouTube, right? Therefore, he can keep on earning passive income. Now, Johnny might be earning $500,000-$600,000 a year from selling this course. And guess what? The bigger his audience gets, the more money he's gonna earn passively from that course. Now, here's the thing. Johnny isn't doing any extra work, right? Johnny just keeps on producing 1 or 2 videos per week. He doesn't have to do any work on the course because he already recorded that 2 years ago. And so that's done. And so he just has to keep on doing the same amount of work and he'll keep on earning even more money as his audience grows. And so passive income is scalable, and that's truly the power of it. And so I say it again, passive income is the goal. That should be the objective in your life if you're somebody who's wanting to live more free, if you're somebody who's wanting to build wealth and live financially free. If that is you, then passive income should be the goal. And here's the thing, Quite literally anybody can earn passive income. Anybody can do it, okay? And I've actually got a course that I'm selling for $9,999. If you buy it today, you'll start earning passive income immediately. No, I'm joking. I'm not selling you a course. This is not how this channel works. But anyways, I feel like this video is getting kind of long now, and so I'm not gonna go into how to earn passive income and all that stuff. If you guys wanna see a video about that, just post a comment below, like this video, let me know that you want me to make a video about earning passive income and just like sort of a step-by-step process of discovering and figuring out what's gonna work for you and all that stuff. Also, if you made it this far in the video and you still haven't subscribed, come on, what are you doing? No, I'm kidding. But seriously, if you like content like this and you wanna see more of it, I would love your support and subscribing to the channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. So that's all I've got for you. If you're still watching this, I just wanna say that you're freaking awesome. I really appreciate you staying till the end, and I will see you again very soon. All right, take care. And so in that, there's a gnat flying in my nose. I need a sip of coffee. Oh, so good. If you guys want my coffee recipe, let me know. I got you, because it's really good. I really wish more people knew about my coffee recipe because it's so good.